Welcome back to Automotive Drive Avenue, where we dive into machines that define the road. And today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide Limited, a motorcycle that represents the absolute peak of Harley's touring lineup. The CVO Street Glide Limited is built for riders who want long-distance comfort, premium craftsmanship, and unmistakable presence. It's designed for serious touring, cross-country rides, and effortless highway cruising, while still delivering that signature Harley-Davidson attitude that makes every mile feel special. Visually, the 2026 CVO Street Glide Limited is expected to make a bold statement. The iconic Batwing fairing gives it an instantly recognizable silhouette, while the stretched saddlebags, wide stance, and low-slung profile add to its commanding road presence. Premium CVO exclusive paint finishes, intricate detailing, and full LED lighting are expected to elevate the look, making this bike feel as much like a rolling piece of art as it is a touring machine. When it comes to rider comfort, this motorcycle is all about luxury. The seating is expected to be deeply cushioned and supportive, designed for long hours in the saddle without fatigue. The riding position is relaxed and upright, with floorboards positioned for comfort rather than aggression. For real-world touring, generous storage capacity and thoughtful ergonomics make the CVO Street Glide Limited a practical companion for extended journeys. Harley-Davidson is expected to offer the CVO Street Glide Limited as a fully loaded single high-spec trim, with differences coming mainly through exclusive color options and detailing rather than mechanical changes. The idea here is simple: no compromises, no upgrades needed. Power is expected to come from a large displacement Milwaukee-Eight engine tuned for smooth, effortless performance. Throttle response should be strong and refined, delivering confident acceleration for highway passes and relaxed cruising at speed. The riding feel is expected to be stable and planted, especially over long distances and varied road conditions. Fuel efficiency is expected to be reasonable for a motorcycle of this size and class, with estimated range figures aimed at minimizing fuel stops during long tours. Technology is where the CVO Street Glide Limited truly shines. A large digital infotainment display with navigation, smartphone connectivity, and premium audio is expected to be standard. Advanced rider aids, refined braking systems, and modern safety electronics are also expected to enhance confidence, without taking away from the traditional riding experience. In terms of value, the 2026 CVO Street Glide Limited is expected to start around a premium price point, and it's clearly aimed at riders who want the very best Harley-Davidson has to offer, without stepping into aftermarket customization. This motorcycle stands as a symbol of luxury touring, heritage, and modern performance, and its future appeal lies in blending timeless Harley character with cutting-edge refinement. If you enjoyed this